Viewers and subscribers, Christopher Dog Paw Linton, OC Dog Paw, the leader of the Dog Paw Gang, was cut down by members of the security forces during an alleged shootout today in Elliston Flats. People, as you all know, Dog Paw was in jail for a lengthy time on charges of murders, shootings, and other serious crimes. He was, however, acquitted of all charges and was made a free man. Now the dog come a road and apparently him still a going with him foolishness. Recently, he was shot and injured by members of rival gangs, and it is alleged that Dog Paw vowed that he will get back at the persons who shot and injured him. Now, it is alleged that the dog and him friend them are planned to carry out strikes on persons within the St. Andrew community, and the police them get wind of it, and the police them start run some program. Get some information as it relates to which crime of Javelina. Intercept the vehicle, the dog came out firing, but before him know it, get me I say, he was put down by the security forces. Now people, it is said that men from the Dog Paw Gang videoed themselves giving gun salutes to their fallen general. People, Jamaica in a serious crisis. I'm not know what I got deliver us. Anyway, make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn the post notification on so the video them drop, you get them first. People, walk safe, stay good.